Hello students, today we are going to start new poem in chapter 6, section 3, Birds of Paradise. The poet is Christina Georgina Rossetti. Christina Georgina Rossetti was a famous English poet of Italian descent. She is most remembered for her numerous volumes of romantic, religious, and children's poems. She was the sister of the artist Dante Gabriel, writer William Michael, and author Maria Francisca. Her childhood was greatly influenced by the wide variety of books she read. She began writing in the style of her favorite poets and gradually developed her own style. In the poem, the poet describes a species of birds in vivid details. She begins by saying that she saw a flock of brightly colored, merrily singing birds. She saw them flying at their own pace and singing their own tunes. When seen from below, their wings flashed golden and silver, and their song sounded like silver bells ringing. As they flew, the wind passed through their wings, making a melodious sound. The poet says that the birds continued to soar higher and higher. As if rushing towards heaven, she imagines that the birds will make heaven their home and sing their sweetest songs there. She seems awed by their beauty, power, and grandeur. The poem is full of vivid imagery. She describes the color, sound, and movement of the bird's wings in great detail, which makes them come alive in our minds. That's all, students. Thank you, class.